Hi guys, it's Jen from Hahn's Ponds in Sanborn, New York, and I'm here to answer another very common question we get from our customers almost daily. How much should I be feeding my koi? So Hahn's Ponds way of doing things here, basically during the summer, you really only need to feed them once a day if you have a healthy ecosystem. It's very easy to overfeed your koi because it's that time of the day when the koi are most interactive with us. They get all excited when they hear us coming. They know we're going to be providing them food, and they're food motivated. So it's really easy just to keep feeding them because they are so cute when they're feeding, and it does seem as if, they're interacting with us personally. So we get that. But overfeeding can end up with unhealthy fish and a pond full of algae. So nobody wants that. So how much food is actually the right amount? Well, basically the way you can tell with your pond specifically and your fish is to throw in a handful. Whatever they eat in a 2 to 3 minute range, well, more like 3 minutes, is going to determine how much is enough. If after 3 minutes or so there's a lot of food floating away and the koi really aren't paying attention to it too much, then you fed them too much, you can put the food away. If they've gobbled it up and they've gone crazy and they're swimming around frantically looking for more, you can give them a little bit more. That will help you determine how much is enough. And then try and stay in that routine. I know it's not always ideal, but if you're able to give them that same amount each day, that should be good. So how can you tell if you're overfeeding your fish? Well, just like people, kois are going to have extended bellies. They'll also be acting a bit listless and just kind of not too interested in food when you do feed them. And what happens if you miss a feeding? Koi can actually go days without being fed. During the summer especially, they get nutrition from bugs, algae, roots of plants, and anything else that they can find in the water. So honestly, they are fine. So I'll actually go ahead and give our koi the amount we usually give. And I know it's not going to look like a lot, but they've been eating all day. They graze on the algae. So this is really all about that all they need. If you do have any questions, please write them down in the comments and go ahead and like and follow us, as we will be continuing to make videos on all things water gardens. Thanks, guys.